Good afternoon. In today's video, we will be reviewing our Algo Flow Indicator. The indicator's primary purpose is to analyze the exchange and identifies who's in control. It's based on real-time momentum and helps gauge institutional buying versus selling pressure in a visual way across ES, SPX, and SPY. Understanding the flow gauge. iSpy has made it extremely easy to read. This indicator shows real-time momentum. The bottom panel indicator visualizes aggressive institutional participation through live order flow analysis. Yellow signals show active buying absorption, while red indicates active selling pressure. When the indicator turns yellow, it signals active buying flow and absorption of offers. This lets you know that potential support is building and a bullish continuation bias is likely. When the indicator turns red, it signals active selling flow with bids hitting the market. When you see this, there is a potential distribution occurring and likely downside momentum developing. The indicator is marked with a threshold. These will be vertical bars highlighted when the flow reverses direction after crossing 15, that's the bottom level, and 85, that's the top level. How traders apply flow signals. Step 1 is to confirm setups are in the algo zones. If we are in a buy zone, a yellow flow will light up indicating a potential long setup, especially during expansion days, which helps strengthen conviction. For potential reversals in the sell zone, a red flow indicates exhaustion highs and will light up in red. This helps validate levels when volume is in key areas and shows institutional participation in their respective zones. ES time and sales, block trade analysis. The ES tape, it displays all orders exceeding 50 contracts to highlight significant activity. Block trades reveal aggressive institutional participation and are marked on the tape for easy identification. You can use block trades as key signals. Block buys and sells of 500 plus support bullish moves or signal distribution. These large orders will print throughout the trading day and they do show active institutional flow. What order flow is not? It is not a buy or sell signal. It is to be used in conjunction with our proprietary zones. The flow shows volume exchange at key areas, especially near highs and lows. It provides context for understanding who controls price action. The reality check is this. Every trader has a buyer or a seller. Money changes hands constantly in the market. Our algo analyzes these exchanges to identify who's in control, buyers or sellers. It's simple as that. Interpreting flow behavior. Throughout the day, you may see extended durations where the flow stays red or yellow for long periods of time. This occurs when criteria hasn't been met yet. Patience is required here. Other days, you'll notice quick shifts in the order flow, where rapid color changes signal aligned conditions and fast price movement occurs in action zones. Remember, setups come from levels and zones. The flow helps understand what's happening inside those zones. It is context, not a trigger by itself. Integration framework. It's a multi-layered approach. This algo-driven system, it combines regime classification with directional levels and live order flow validation. As we discussed in prior videos, there are 3 distinct regimes: reset days, expansion days, and exhaustion days. For proper execution workflow, we follow this path. Number 1, which regime day is it? The day type sets bias. Number 2, the algo flow provides confirmation. Number 3, the tape, timing, refines your entries. And number 4, our zones define your targets. Trading applications. We primarily focus on intraday trading in our chat room. We define the regime classification with live flow to timer entries on ES, SPX, and SPY. We must always stay aligned with institutional participation for high conviction setups. We have a channel in our Discord room for swing trading. It's called ST levels. You can apply ST levels with flow validation for multi-day positions. Avoid forcing trades during mismatched regimes like longs on exhaustion days. And of course, there's risk management. It's a very important part of trading. Flows shift warns of potential reversals, and red flow at exhaustion highs invalidates long bias, while yellow flow at exhaustion lows invalidates short bias. Always protect your capital by respecting institutional momentum. Rules-based edge. Be aware of what the current regime is. The day type determines bias. There's no forcing trades against institutional flow direction. Monitor the flow for validation. Live order flow analysis confirms or invalidates setups before execution. Remember, we work in our zones, always be zone focused. Dedicated short, long zones with directional levels guide precise entries. We have more information about the auction models. It's located in our Discord room under the methodology section. I suggest that you review them and let us know if you have any questions. In the next video, I will review the order flow visualization guide.